Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be changing the front brakes on my car. They did get pretty bad, so now and then whenever I brake from high speed, my wheel shakes, so that usually means that they're going out. And my pads just got in here yesterday. I got my rotors a couple days ago, and then I'll show you what they look like in just a sec. Well, that's what the project is for today. So these are the parts. We've got right here the big boys. These are the Z1 drilled and slotted front rotors. I'm only doing the fronts today because I got a pretty good deal on them. I don't see the need in doing the back right now. And then to pair with that, we got the Akebono ceramic disc pads for the big brakes. We're gonna be throwing these onto here. You can see with the reflection, they're already kind of going out, pretty wavy. My pads aren't too bad, but you get new rotors, you gotta get new pads, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna take this wheel off. I mean, I don't know about other Nismo owners if they even watch this, but these lugs are like the biggest pain to take off because then they get stuck inside your actual socket, and then you have to like bang it out, and it's just a hassle. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the pads first, and then I'm gonna do the rotors, because it's pretty easy to replace these, I guess, from what I've seen. And then once those are in, I'll just connect it all back up and then just drop the caliper entirely, and then we could just swap this out and put this right back on. The pistons are a little out right now because my old pads and my rotor were thinner than OEM. So what I'm gonna have to do for the new ones is I'm gonna have to push these back in. I'll actually show you what they look like. Yeah, let's unwrap them. Look at the thickness difference. Just like that, they're both in. So now we're just gonna put all the old hardware back on. I didn't get new hardware with these, but I think that's okay. So now all there is left are these two big bolts, one up here, one down here. Those are actually size 22. And then when you take those out, this whole thing just comes down, and then the rotor pops out. It's out. I'm using the jack to hold up the caliper so I don't bend any of the brake lines. Don't forget to clean the rotor, because if you don't clean the rotor, it could sit uneven, and then it'll just cause your new rotors to warp all over again. So I'm gonna hit it with some sandpaper and try and clean off as much as I can. Alright, so as you can see, I cleaned up most of it, so when I install the new rotor, it should fit pretty flush. Alright, so now they're in. I'm probably gonna hit them with some brake cleaner, and then we're gonna put our caliper on. So this is what the end result is looking like. They look super fire. I can't wait to put the wheel back on and then see what that looks like. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, and that's what it looks like with the wheel on. It looks super sick. So I'm gonna get to the other side, and then once I'm done with that, I'll talk to you guys about the break-in process and actually getting these brakes to work. Let's take this boy for a spin. All right, so what you gotta do is you gotta get up to a high speed, because every new pad has a surface coating, and you wanna get that surface coating on your rotor. So you wanna go from like 20 to almost nothing, like that. And you wanna brake pretty quickly, 20 to nothing, and then 40 to like 20, like this. Honestly, they brake pretty good. So the rotors are from Z1, the pads are from Akebono. Yeah, they brake pretty strong. And you just want to keep doing this a couple times. You want to heat them up. Oh my god, dude, did you just freaking see that? Dude, good thing I caught that on video. That was hilarious. This guy just rode up a curb. Look, now he's embarrassed. Okay, but yeah. So just keep speeding up, keep going, and then brake. Just want to get the pads pretty hot. Oh, this car drives so smooth, dude. Especially with these brakes. Just ripping up some residential streets right now. Don't worry though. And then brake. Dude, these work so good, bro. Like insanely well. Can't believe it. I can't wait to go up the mountain now, because what I needed to do to go up the mountain was get my brakes in, which is perfect, and get my suspension dialed in. So obviously after the accident, the suspension was all kind of a little wonky. So now that I got all new parts that weren't bent up, and I even threw on a whole new set of Nismo coils, we're pretty much set. But yeah, I'm very, very excited. Even this corner, bro, like effortless. Brake. So easy. Come on now. Let's gather it over there. Let's do it a couple more times. Brake. Oh, this car feels so crisp, dude. I just want to get a full tune-up. Full tune-up, oil change. So I got to get new spark plugs, new air filter, cabin filter, and then an oil change. And I think I'm set for now. I mean, obviously you got to get the side skirt fixed, but like mechanically, this car is sound, dude. But yeah, that's gonna conclude the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Yeah, thanks for watching.